Hey, I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I install these cute Yanky Twists by Crochet Braids Plus. So let's get started. Now, first of all, my braid pattern was okay, but the back looked like who did what, when, and why. Just an FYI, I had them braids in for like a week, okay, before I installed these. So that's why I look so frizzy. But that's the packaging that they sent me, and this is how the hair looks. Each kit comes with 5 bundles, but I did receive a total of 7 bundles, and this is how it looks. Because my hair is pretty thick, I did use 7 pieces at once, so I'm just putting it through here, crocheting it through. Now the loops are pretty good. I like the fact that it's big enough for me to actually spread it apart and also bring the hair through, just like as you see right here. So I just pretty much just repeated the same process and I only looped it one time. You don't really have to loop 2, 3, or 4 or whatever. I just did one. That was good enough for me. Because these are reusable, you want to make sure that you only loop it once if you want to reuse the hair again, because you don't want to tie it in a knot and then when it's time to take it down you have to cut it all out. Feel free to skip through if you know how to crochet, but if you don't, you can definitely just watch how I do it. This is basically just repeating the same steps in the back here. So yeah. So to give y'all more information on this hair, so it does come pre-looped, and the color that I do have here is black, so of course it's 1B. It do come with 62 twists per bundle, so as you see here. Now they did give me a couple of different lengths, but it's majority just 12-inch medium length, so I made it all work. I like that once you install everything, you can definitely like cut it with, cut it and trim it how you want it, the shape that you actually want. I also like that they did give me enough for a full head, and like I said, because it does come with 5 bundles, you really don't need 7, but for me, I like the full look. I love the fact that they sent me that much, because now I'm looking at my braids in the back. It definitely needed to be covered up because they are thick, so I definitely like how it all laid. And once I installed all of this in the back, the parts definitely was covered, because as you see, I'm putting 7 of the pieces in there. So you want to know how long it took me to install. So it took me about 5 hours. I actually thought I was going to be complete more sooner than that, but because I don't really do this too much and I just didn't know what I was doing at first, and yeah, I had to really figure this out, because I was like, I'm looping it through and everything, but there are some times where I had to take out the hair and reinstall it, only because I'm still learning, okay? The beginning always going to be frustrating, but once you start actually, installing everything and getting through, you end up learning the process, and once you start repeating it, you definitely end up learning what to do and what not to do.
Yo.
For the front, I ended up using at least 2 pieces so it can lay down really nice and seamless, so it can look really natural. So I did 2 pieces, and I try to make it as close as possible so that way you won't see my cornrows. And one thing I'm gonna have to say about this hair, once you install all of this, it definitely looks like your natural hair. Like if you're wearing your natural hair, it definitely looks like it. It blended in so well to the point where it really was looking like mine. I pushed back the front so you can see I still have some pieces that I can install, and because the front part is a little bit more thinner than the rest of my hair, for this part I just put one piece all on my edges so it can really look natural and blend in well. Not too big on baby hairs because mine are actually adults, but I will slick it down some and make a little swoop to make it look cute or whatever. Once I slick everything down, this is basically the look here. Now this is with all of the bundles. I did not trim anything like that, so it looked good just like that. But to shape it up, I did grab my scissors and just, you know, add a little bang and a little shape right there. And this is the final look of this hairstyle. Look how cute this is, y'all. It's so fluffy and lightweight, tangle free, and just amazing, y'all. I'm like, okay, definitely a nice protective style. I haven't actually ever seen any twist that look this good. I like that it's 100% handmade, so they made this themselves, and I'm gonna give them a clap for that one because they did good. For the next look that I'm gonna be creating, it's just something so cute and very simple. I'm just doing 2 buns, and I just left the bang in the front. I definitely love how versatile these twists are. So this is the look of that. As you see, I am in love. I definitely was loving. I loved 2 buns as a kid, so to wear it as an adult is definitely a plus. As you see, I definitely pulled it off. So for the next look, I am just going to be doing a side ponytail. Again, very simple and also cute. I did add some hair accessories to elevate the final look, and I am so in love because hair jewelry just elevates something just so simple. But I love this whole process. Everything was amazing, and I love the hair. I'm definitely going to be doing this again, so be on the lookout. Hope you guys like this video, and also check out my description box for more information. And thank you for watching. Bye.